Hey guys, Caitlin with Gravel here, and today we're actually in Paris, France during the crazy Paris 2024 Olympics. I'm about to ride a bike over to where the Louvre is and some of the event sites and see if it's absolute chaos, and I'll be filming this on the Insta360 Go3S on a POV cam, so let's go check it out. First things first, we have to find a bike, which here in Paris you just use your phone and then you just scan. So let's get on. You just pay with Apple Pay. It's like incredibly easy. And then all you have to do is unlock it, throw this back here, and you're good to go. Alright, so just through this little tunnel, we'll get to see the Louvre. People here at red lights are pretty savage, they just go. So I too just go. Look how many bikes are here. Okay, so as you can see, something's going on here, kind of event. It's pretty busy, but not much more busy than you'd expect. We're just gonna go right through this gate, and on the other side is the Louvre. You'll see, it's pretty epic. Just right through here. Wow, look at that sun. And get ready. Louvre on the other side. It's pretty epic. So this courtyard's pretty amazing, as you can see. And then right over here, you can see just now the Louvre. Pretty epic. Well, honestly, it's not that busy. I mean, you can see the Olympic rings over there, but like it's nowhere as busy as like what I thought. Everybody's here taking photos, obviously. It is bouncy, so if this is smooth, that says a lot. Anyways, let's stop here at the Louvre really quick. As you can see, it's really beautiful. It's definitely getting more packed as the night goes on, but during the day really wasn't that bad. Bum, 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 bum. Those bumps really hit different. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Honestly, I'm loving this camera. It's so small, it's so packable. I throw it in my fanny pack. I'm able to see cities that I'm traveling around, and the footage is actually in super nice quality, as well as the insanely smooth stabilization. I feel like any camera for me that basically takes away the desire to not want to use it is a win, which right now I'm filming on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I've talked a ton about this camera. I'm obsessed with it. This one is slowly kind of becoming its like little sister that I bring around with me everywhere in my fanny pack, and I love it because I can just immediately start filming whatever is happening. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, seeing Paris a little bit. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe and like this video if you haven't already. We're super stoked you're part of the gravel travel community. We make travel goods that basically make your travel life so much easier, so make sure to check them out. And we're giving a discount code to our YouTube community. It's YT Friends, so make sure you use that as well. All right, we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.